This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Ada in Resident Evil 4 Remake. To begin your adventure as Ada Wong, you first need to unlock her dedicated story mode, Separate Ways. This exciting expansion becomes accessible once you have successfully completed the main campaign of the game. Once unlocked, simply head to the main menu and select Separate Ways to dive into her unique narrative. Ada's gameplay offers a distinct experience, emphasizing stealth and agility. Her signature grappling gun allows for rapid movement across environments and even in combat, providing a unique tactical advantage. She typically starts with a silenced pistol, perfect for discreet takedowns, and a versatile crossbow that can be loaded with either standard or explosive bolts for different situations. When engaging in combat as Ada, strategic use of her tools is key. The grappling gun isn't just for movement. It's a powerful combat asset for repositioning or escaping tight spots. Aim for headshots with your pistol to conserve ammunition and dispatch enemies efficiently. For larger groups, deploy explosive crossbow bolts to create significant area of effect damage, turning the tide of battle in your favor. Ada's mission in Separate Ways is intricately linked to her objectives for Albert Wesker, often involving the retrieval of crucial items. As you progress, remember to explore every corner of the environments. There are many hidden resources, including ammunition, healing items, and treasures, that will aid you on your journey. Successfully completing these objectives will unravel her compelling parallel story, offering new perspectives on the main plot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.